Okay, today we're gonna go over how to draw Orange from Rainbow Friends Roblox. It's gonna be simple, it's just gonna be his head. If you want his whole body, let me know. I wanna totally do that, so let's get started, okay? First thing I do, he's got these big bulbous eyes. So I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a curve. Like a C curve. I'm gonna go over here, line underneath-ish. Curve over here on this side, curve over here on this side. For kind of the, it's like his eyelids. It's like popping out of his eyelids there. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve a little bit for the top of the head. If you like this kind of stuff, if you like drawing Roblox, please let me know in the comment section. I will do way more. I just gotta hear you say it or hit that like so that I know that that's what you want. Curve out over here for the snout. It's got kind of like a lizard face. Curve down. I'm gonna go over here. Curve back. Up a little bit. And then curve up again. One more time right here for kind of the smile or the open mouth. Gonna go line down here for kind of the lower mouth. And the next thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to find the nostril. The nostril's right up front, so I'm going to go right here, curve, just like that slight curve for the nostril. And then I'm going to put the eyeball in the back there. Curve right here in the back for the eyeball. Okay? Let's go over here on this side. Line up, down. He's got like a slit pupil. And then I'm going to fill that in. Just gonna fill it in totally dark. Let me know if you guys are fans of the game. Let me know. Please say what's up, say hi. Also, if you just say hi, basically anything you respond in the comment section, I will reply to. Okay, I will. So try me. Try even old videos, and I will reply to every single comment. Let's go over here now. Line down for the tooth. Another tooth. Kind of make them different sizes, but they're gonna be triangles pointed downward. Slightly curved in. Line up over here for the teeth over here on this side. Line back for the inner mouth. And then we're going to put a little bit of teeth coming up over here on this far end right there. Okay, now I'm gonna go over here. I have the lip, the lower lip, back, pull back up. Gonna go over here now. I'm gonna slightly curve the back of the head, pulling down here. Gonna go over here on this side, line over here. And I'm gonna go over here and find the tongue on the inside of the mouth. So I'm gonna go over here, curve line for the tongue. Make sure you kind of catch it on the other side of the teeth there. Gonna go over here for the middle line over here. Curve over here. And fill in that kind of back of the mouth there because it's not getting a lot of sunlight. So you kind of want to do that. If you want, you can also kind of fill in this area, like anywhere around the tongue area. Fill it in. Line. Go over here, curved thin lines over here around the kind of the fold. And if you really want, you can throw the other eye on this side, the back right there, the other pupil, to kind of make a match and kind of give it this like very I don't know, just gives it like a better look, honestly. Line for under the neck. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna draw a thick line around the outside encompassing the entire thing. Okay, so right over here I'm gonna draw a thicker line over here, thicker line around this side. Just gonna continue with that thick line on the outside. The reason I do that is because it gives it a kind of sticker-like look. If you want to learn how to draw in general, like you want to learn how to draw anything, go to sketchingeasy.com. There's a beginner drawing lesson on there totally for free. You don't have to sign up, nothing. Just go in and try that out. It's going to steady your hand. That's all it's all about. It's about getting a steady hand so you can pull some of these lines that I'm talking about. Otherwise, you can also check out the cool coloring books that I have on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But it's a lot of coloring books that I put. I put about 5 coloring books, and I'm going to put up many more. So go take a look at that if you're a fan of just coloring, because I also am. I love just kind of coloring. Or right here, you're basically making your own coloring books when you're doing this kind of process, right? So you keep pulling it down here. What I want you to do is I want you to stay positive as well. Being able to draw is a fun skill to have, and there's no rush. I think the more fun you have with it, the better you get at it in time. You're going to find yourself getting better at things you never thought you could. So let's just go into a little bit more detail here if I want to look at it. Detail I want to do on a slightly thinner line, so I would actually lean, if it's a Sharpie, I actually use the point of it more, right? And I put in a little bit less weight on it, right, to kind of get a little bit of detail just kind of around the curls of the eyes, maybe over here of the nose, right? You're kind of doing this thin line so that it doesn't distract the eye. The first thing your eye will look at will be the thick lines, and then secondary it'll look inside, or you know, or maybe another way would be like everybody tends to look right at the eyes first and then kind of look around the rest of the head. But it's kind of cool to do these thin lines because they're easy. It's just kind of like icing on top of the cake, right? You're doing these thin lines just around here, maybe along the edge, to kind of make it look like this extra added detail that, like it's just fun to do. I want to thank you for watching. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe and click the bell notification. If you stuck around this long, hit the subscribe, click the bell notification. Basically, I go over every single day how to draw something. I'm going to post a short every single day as well. Don't miss that stuff. The shorts are going to be coming out a lot more often. So I want to thank you very much. What I want you to do is I want you to reflect, draw some stuff, and maybe color this guy while you're at it. So if you joined me for this entire thing, I want to thank you very much. Please say hi to me in the comments like I said before, and I will see you in the next video. Remember, every stroke that you do, it's gonna create, it's basically you're on your road to becoming this awesome artist that you want to be. Okay, it's just fun to do. So thank you so much, and I will see you next time. I'm Enrique, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, hopefully I'll see you tomorrow. All right, come back tomorrow.